Alright YouTube, here we got the Glock 43X MOS ready for the optic sights. I'm just gonna do an unboxing for you guys. Comes with the Glock standard lock. Also comes with 2 mags. I have one loaded up already, so you only see one. Comes with a mag loader. Here's the Glock 43X. Sights are standard, functional, and durable. Got the MOS plate. I already ordered the Holosun 407X. Let me know if you guys want to see how to install that. I'll do that in the next video. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Glock 43X. Probably the next video I'm gonna make is me installing the Holosun. So tune in for that if you guys are struggling how to put that on. I'll do that in my next video. Yeah, that's it.